Like the great philosopher once said, the function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of one who prays. Like, start this day by remembering our God and our prayer. ஈராரும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெளிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனவின திகழ் பரத கண்டது திக்கணமும் அது சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு சிறை முதலும் தரிசனரும் இழகவுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிலமை திரும்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே I welcome respected correspondent sir, dean sir, principal ma'am, guest of honor, beloved lecturers and my friends. Warm welcome to everyone. I am T. Aarti from Triple Department studying final year. Welcome you all to the National Level Symposium Extra Summer 2021. Before we start this function, on behalf of the whole college, I would like to thank our chief guest for spending his precious time with us. Therefore, we sincerely hope that everyone will get knowledge from this session. Once again, I welcome you all. A pessimist complains about the wind. An optimist tries to change it. And a leader adjusts the pace. A sage particular where a person, not one great motion to all of us, but a visionary and a person who gave us belief to bring together our beloved principal. May it take the pressure of requesting our respected Dr. B. Kavi, PGP of Engineering and Technology, to inaugurate us.
So it's my great pleasure to inaugurate. The national level symposium, which is conducted in virtual mode by the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering students. It's a great honor for them and it's a great enjoyment for them during the pandemic period. The opportunity has been given by the management. So it's the right time for me to thank the management for organizing such a program in our campus, especially today our correspondent sir, dean sir, they are spending their valuable time to encourage the participants and my own students and the faculty team. Thank you so much. And also it's my duty to thank and welcome Ajin Sekar, who is a solar specialist. He is from USA. Thank you for accepting our request and being with our students. Thank you, Ajin. And as the inaugural address, I would like to extend great appreciation and congratulations to all the students of electrical and electronics engineering who are being the organizers for this wonderful program. For the past 10 days, I'm watching their motivation and the interest level. It's brilliant. It's amazing because the opportunity once in front of them, how the students are grasping it. There we can see their growth and their incremental improvement. The opportunity is created by the team of management. Once it is given chance to the students, they have voluntarily come forward and they are starting organization of this program and easily they are coordinated. They are missing to conduct in offline mode, but anyway, we cannot think which is not with us. If you want to move forward, if you want to enjoy our life, if you want to learn something, we have to see what are all the things that are available with us. So I appreciate all the students for creating this available opportunity for their growth and they are enjoying and their hard work in coordinating the entire events. Many programs are there, paper presentation, project presentation, fun events, quiz, so many things they have organized through online. If we conduct program in offline mode, bringing many students inside the campus and guiding them in person is very easy for every one of the students. But through online mode, through remote, it took this chance to organize well. I appreciate and I believe that the faculty members will be the supporting team for our students to make this entire day wonderful. And at the end of the session, the organizers, the participants, everyone will get good exposure and the day will be the more experienced day for every one of you. I wish the program should be more successful. I especially appreciate the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering staff team, those who are the moral support for the young students to get the confidence in their activities. It's my pleasure to be the part of this program, and I especially thank all the external participants. Our students' encouragement will not move upward. So your presence in online mode is highly honorable, recognizable to our students' efforts. So your support and your joining to the program throughout the day, we expect all the participants will be online for the entire day till valedictory, be with the line and motivate our students to proceed further. So with this note, I thank everyone for giving me an opportunity to be the part of this wonderful program, which is a virtual mode organized by EEE department. It's going good, and I saw the students' enthusiasm. The organizers are inside the campus to get the physical touch among the organizers. I really appreciate them for being the volunteerness to enjoy the journey, enjoy the opportunity created by the college. So with this note, I'll leave to the next session. Thank you.
Nothing great will be achieved without great men. And men are only great if they are determined to do so. Dear all, we are happy to have with us Mr. M. Ganapathy Sir, IFS retired correspondent, PGP Educational Institution. I would like to call upon our beloved correspondent Sir to deliver the presidential address.
Let me extend a very, very hearty welcome to all the participants, particularly to our resource person, Mr. Ajin Sekar, and also our old friend G. Varghese. Today, so many unusual things are happening in the world. There is a severe flooding taking place in many places. There is excessive heat is taking places, and there is a lot of, the glaciers are melting. The glaciers, which happen to be the source of fresh water to the world, is melting. Why this is all happening? It is all happening because of the climate change. It is a global warming, climate change and global warming. And how does the global warming take place? How does the climate change take place? One of the reasons for this thing is the wastage, I would say, the excessive use or wastage of energy we are doing it. All over the world, electricity has become a very, very important source of our livelihood, for our prosperity, and for so many other things also. And there is a big mismatch between what you call the supply and the demand. The energy generated is not enough to meet our demand. And this is, now let me go to the next step. Why this is happening is there because if you take the energy all over the world, the major source of energy is the thermal energy. Thermal energy means you are burning the fossil fuels. We are burning coal, we are burning diesel, and all these things. So this is the main source of energy, and it happens to be the main source of pollution also. And this is the main cause for global warming and the climate changes, all the unusual things are happening. So unless we do something to rectify this situation, it will get, worse. Worse in the sense, is going to affect all the continents, is going to affect the lives of the people, and it is going to affect our health also. So this is where today's seminar is very, very important, particularly about the energy. When it comes to energy, now we have to find out energy is becoming very, very important. You take, for example, nowadays, the cars, one of the main sources of pollution, the cars are undergoing a big revolution. We are getting electric car now. So in this energy field, the future is we have to conserve energy. Number one, we have to conserve energy, that is a save energy. Saving energy means, there's a saying there, a unit wasted is a unit generated, or you can put it the other way, a unit saved is unit generated. So the world is, a lot of activities are going on about diversifying the energy. Diversifying means going beyond the thermal energy. This is where the today's seminar, particularly the two subjects are very important. One is the solar energy and the other is what we call the renewable energy. See, these are the very, very important things. Solar energy, renewable energy. When it comes to renewable energy, I am a great believer in nuclear energy. For example, nuclear energy is supposed to be a clean energy, and the source is unlimited. Source is unlimited. If you take the advanced countries, you take France, for example, more than 70% of the energy generated is from the nuclear energy. Similarly, Japan also is about 60%, 50 to 60%. UK and all the countries are coming there. So the future is diversifying the energy sources, going away from the fossil fuel generated electricity. That is where this renewable energy becomes a very, very important thing. So my dear students, I want you to understand the importance of the subject you are studying, the energy. Without energy, there is no activity, there is no life in this world. So it's very, very important. The most important thing is diversifying the energy sources, and then other important thing is optimum utilization of the energy. For every unit we are using, we should try to get the maximum out of it. We have to squeeze the energy. You squeeze the energy and get the best out of it. This is where a lot of research is going on. You take, for example, in our ordinary life also, you take the appliances we are using. Earlier, things like our AC, washing machine, refrigerator used to, consume so much energy. But nowadays, thanks to R&D, the same appliances are consuming less and less energy. So, my dear students, being, this electrical and electronic students, try to find out method of conserving energy, and more important, getting the best out of every unit. You have to get the best out of it, every unit. If you do all these things, whether you are all engineering students also, the projects you are doing it also, try to do a project in which you can generate renewable sources of energy, and more important, get the best out of every unit you are consuming. So this is a very, very important subject. Very important subject. It is for not only for the survival of the people, but it's for the survival of this planet also. So I'm glad our College of Engineering, Dr. Kavita and her team have chosen this subject, and they got the right persons also to speak about the solar energy and all these things. So in the projects you will be doing it also, try to find out, even it may be a small one, wherever you can find the sources of, creating energy out of movements and all these things. So your aim should be to, once again, let me repeat it again, conserve the energy, find out new renewable sources of energy, and more important, get the best out of every unit. So I convey my greetings to all of you, and let me thank our speakers, Ajin Sekhar and G. Varghese, once again also. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable advice. No one is blamed for your future situation but yourself. If you want to become successful, then become successful. Yes, he's always behind our success. To give a red carpet welcome to everyone assembled here, I now call upon Dr. K. Periyasamy, Dean Academic Affairs, PGP College of Engineering and Technology, to give a special address.
So, thank you. Distinguished guest, Mr. Ajin Sekhar. respected principal, respected HOD of EEE department, learned members of faculty, my dear beloved students and participants from different parts of the country. Good morning to all of you. So I'm extremely happy to note that the Department of EEE, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, is organizing the national level symposium today. And the main objective, the symposium of this kind normally provides a very excellent platform wherein you can showcase your talents and exhibit your latest technology available and get it mutually benefited. And this program is going to be very useful to you. And today's topic, as our correspondent rightly pointed out, the renewable energy sources, particularly Mr. Ajin Sekhar is going to give a detailed information about the solar energy and all that. So today's seminar is going to be very interesting, and the speaker is going to give in detail about the solar energy system and its working and all that. And this seminar, I request all the participants to actively participate in the program and get benefited. And with these few words, I wish this seminar all success, and I wish you all good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable address. To improve the golden moment of opportunity and catch the good that is in our reach is the great art of life. We have another chief guest, Mr. Nandakumar, Microsoft USA. Sir, can you give few words to us, sir?
Hello, everyone. Very good morning to all. So thanks for accommodating in part of the symposium. So I'm being a guest, actually. Thanks for a quick intro. I'm Nandakumar. I work as a program manager with Microsoft USA in Seattle State, Seattle City. So basically, I'm more focused on the computer science and engineering into the hyper-convergent infrastructure in Azure technologies. So thanks for inviting me to be part of the symposium to understand and learn myself, how the solar energy is going to change the next gen of energy consumption. So I'm very keen to listen to your paper presentations, your lectures, and where I'm seeing this as an opportunity to learn from you all. Thanks all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable speech. Let's get started the technical events, paper presentation. Participants are asked to connect with the prospective Zoom meeting at 11 a.m. Once again, I kindly request the participants to join their respective Zoom meeting. Thanking you.